Okay, the dog wants to play. Okay. So that's the non-functioning button. Okay, we're going to fix that. So we'll check the panel. Okay. So wire is okay. It's connected, and we're going to assume that the micro switch is also okay. So we will check the JAMMA connector. Okay, so we see a wire disconnected. Then we'll turn off the machine and we'll resolder the wire. So you can Google JAMMA. That's a Japanese Amusement Machine Manufacturers Association. JAMMA. So each pin has a meaning. From the left would be the ground, then 5 volts, 12 volts, in the middle test switch, RGB picture, color, and buttons function way on the right. So that's it. That's the 6 buttons. We'll check. Okay.
Ready. Fight.
So that's the button. It's working now. Okay.